Hi, this is Dr. Amit Kamble.
Hi, this is Purnima Kamble.
My name is Advita Amit Kamble.
Yeah, childhood Christmas, I've got very fond memories. We were in Miraj, and Miraj is like, this whole nativity plays that we were doing in our Sunday school. Very fond memories. We were having this carol singing, fun fair. All the West Campus, East Campus kids getting together. Very fond memories. And I miss that Christmas, though I've traveled across various countries across the globe. But there's no Christmas like the Miraj Christmas. So yeah, it's indeed special, and of course those childhood memories with Guddu, Rohit, Tuttu, and all the campus kids, Sheetal, Sushil, Preeti, Dipti, and everybody coming around, having cakes and pastries and games. Pinu was there, Mona. So very fond memories. And yeah, it is one of those best days of my life.
My favorite childhood memory is I remember my grandfather used to make this handmade Christmas cards, and they were super duper cute. And I remember, though I used to not make with him like the cards often, but I do remember he used to put a lot of hard work in making that, and he used to personally give it to others. So that is one thing that I really miss. And the other thing is about decorating the church. Like when I was a Sunday school kid, we used to help all the elder people with the church decoration. So that's my favorite part of my childhood Christmas.
Writing letters to Santa, giving presents, getting presents, then decorating the Christmas tree.
Actually, in Russia, the first time I went was after my 12th standard, and we experienced the White Christmas, and it was beautiful. We used to gather with common friends, and we had this beautiful setup, nice Christmas tree at the Hero Square, which is in Volgograd, and we were gathering there, dancing, yelling, and yeah, it was more with common friends, with our senior students, and it was basically a very nice outing with the students there, because post Christmas we had exams, so we couldn't do much of our outing, but yeah, it was nice.
Christmas season for me is full of celebration of life of Christ is coming into our lives, and I really believe in enjoying every moment of this season. I eagerly wait for this season to come, and it should never go back. And I love merrymaking. I love decorating the house, especially putting up the Christmas tree, putting up the manger, and even kind of trying to make some new treats for my family. So that's what I love about this season a lot. Christmas has changed a lot when I moved in with Amit, because that time, after that, my Christmas was not national, it went international, and I saw all possible Christmas fun that I could have ever imagined in my life. We have been traveling since I got married. We have been traveling during every Christmas break abroad, and it's really fun, especially the Russian Christmas, the winter, the white Christmas that we call it as, is really beautiful. It's like a winter wonderland, and it's good to know about the different traditions and cultures of different countries that people share with us when we are on an abroad trip. So it's a really learning experience and full of fun and enjoyment.
Yeah, Christmas actually is very special, because that is that part of the year where, it's the birth of Christ, and when we were in Bethlehem, we saw the place, the grotto where Christ was born, and of course that whole church, that whole atmosphere in Bethlehem is so pretty. And one thing, like, me and Purnima, during our marriage and during our Christmas, we celebrate it as the joy of giving. We like to share the gospel with others, with the things that Christ has blessed us. So Christmas for me is like, togetherness. It's family, it's friends, and of course it is giving.
This time I'm playing Jingle Bells, Joy to the World, Silent Night, O Come All Ye Faithful.
My most memorable Christmas would be the first Russian Christmas. That was fun. I enjoy decorating the house, and the most favorite part is giving the gifts. I truly believe in the joy of giving. It gives me immense joy. It gives me lot of peace to give gifts to people, whether it is small or big. I just don't care. It's just a reason for me to give something to someone and make them smile and happy and bring that special smile on that face. So I really love that part of Christmas, and it's truly joy of giving this season. So I believe in that.
As I said, in campus we had very fond memories going to church with all new clothes, and then mom used to prepare this nice biryani and homemade cake. So we have got with the Kamble certain traditions. We exchange gifts. So we have on the 24th night we gather at our place, and there's carol singing happening. Then there's lovely food, and and it goes up till early morning hours. And basically, again, it's a family affair.
This year, the Christmas tree is gone from 4 feet to 8 feet, and it's because of the continuous pressure from Amit that he wants a big Christmas tree this year. So it was fun decorating it, fun having it, and our little daughter, she also enjoyed putting up the ornaments on the tree, and it is really fun, and we are really looking forward for this entire season to celebrate it with our friends and families coming over and enjoying it thoroughly.
No, actually, the entire decoration is done by Purnima and Advita. My role was to just be in the support and observe.
Yes, magnet collecting is my hobby. Wherever I go, whether it is Indian city or whether it is abroad, I love to buy the magnets, fridge magnets, which represents like whichever country they are from, and that is like my memory from that country. So it, like, whenever I go into my kitchen, I remember that, oh, I have been to all these places, and it brings back all those memories to me. So it's really, really very close to my heart.
This is actually a very special corner in the house. This is the souvenir corner. So wherever we have traveled, we like to gather souvenirs, and so all the souvenirs from all across the world, at whichever places we've been. So I just collect them, and this is a very special corner in my house. Yeah.
I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I wish everyone love, peace and joy, and I believe that there'll be a lot of positivity in the days to come, and we will really get over this pandemic very soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
I would like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a blessed and safe New Year.